At this time of year, everyone wants to spend more, right? We've got Black Friday, Cyber Monday, gifting season coming up. Everyone wants to spend more, and they're trying to look for new opportunities for stuff to bid on. So I just want to do kind of a refresher and get some of you thinking in the right direction here on where to find new opportunities to spend more and to spend smartly during the gifting season. Okay, so let's say that we have toys. Let's say that we have toys for kids. Okay, first thing you want to do is, you know what, let's even take a step back. Always go to Amazon's homepage at this time of year. Always, always, always go to the homepage. You can see what they're pushing. Okay, at this time of year, if you had, like, imagine if you had an outdoor product or a camping product, and this is a Black Friday deal that's on the homepage of Amazon, open up Amazon every single day and see what they're pushing, right? What if you have some sleeping bags or something, and this is running for deal of the day? If you catch this early, you can go in here and do a crazy aggressive ad on this product because it's going to get so much traffic today. So I know I've done this in the past. One of my go-to strategies for this time of year isn't necessarily gift keywords, but ASIN targeting. Because I like to steal other people's traffic, right? If I don't have a Black Friday deal, I can piggyback off of other people's Black Friday deals. If I have a kitchen item, I want to see what kitchen items are being pushed, right? I want to see, okay, early Black Friday deals. We've got pots and pans. We've got a pitcher. We've got a cheese board. What if I've got one of these? I can push one of those, right? On this listing alone. You set up a brand new campaign. You target this ASIN, because sometimes what's going to happen is this guy is running at 44% off right now, right? It's early in the day, and they've got 73% of this lightning deal claimed. So what happens when this lightning deal runs out? A $75 product. I think it's still going to get traffic because it's still going to be there, right? Once it says 100% claimed, it still might be there. So what if you have a cheaper cheese? Maybe yours is 50 or 60 bucks. And once this lightning deal runs out, if you're in one of these top ad spots, you're going to get a lot of traffic after that, right? Piggyback. Keep looking at the homepage of Amazon. So let me come up with a couple more ideas here, right? Let's say that we are selling a toy, okay? So toys for kids, look at this, okay? Another thing, type in super high search volume keywords. See what people are searching for. This changes every year. This changes every week. Type it in, see what people are looking for, okay? Now, I'm selling a toy, and to be honest, I know I can't compete with Lego, okay? This top ad spot, I can't imagine. It's probably costing them upwards of $10 for these clicks right now, right? Now, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing Play-Doh. I'm seeing holiday toy list, okay? Video ads, another holiday toy list, bestseller holiday toy list, okay? So this is what I'm saying. These new kind of landing pages, what they do is they bring in people who are not usually shopping on Amazon, okay? Older people, right? It's older parents and grandmas and stuff that will end up on these pages, and they like these very simple categories, right? They're maybe not typing in exact keywords, but if they end up on this page and they're like, oh, I have a grandson that's 9 to 11, they're going to come here, and right off the bat, so we have Lego. I guess this is for boys and girls, right? We have Lego and we have dolls. We have a Nerf gun. We have Sharpie. We have huge name brand products. And if you're not used to shopping on Amazon, this is what you're used to seeing. Like in a Target or Walmart, you're used to seeing these sort of name brand stuff. Pokemon, Halo, Call of Duty, huge stuff. If you really want to push hard, this is the stuff where you grab these ASINs and you bid on these, right? Imagine the amount of traffic that this Nerf gun is going to get this holiday season. People typing in Nerf because that's what they know, right? They're not typing in long tail keywords if they never shop on Amazon. They're typing in Nerf gun, they're typing in Lego. ASIN targeting is king for gifting. You can even see Nerf is defending their listing extremely well. So they're actually pretty well managed, but sometimes you can find a really big name brand that is not protected this well. And you can kind of go after them, okay? So I'm just going to say it again. Just don't look at your back end at this time of year. Go to Amazon's homepage, see what you see, and see what you can relate to, okay? If there's one of these, if you have kitchen again, if you have an exercise thing, see what they're promoting, piggyback off of that. Now, another thing, you guys got to think of this. Sure, Amazon, sometimes people go right to Amazon and they type stuff in, right? But still, the biggest search engine is Google, obviously. So people will come in here and they will say toys, right? Toys for kids, 9 years old. What's that going to show me? We've got a blog post here. We've got a couple of blog posts, right? A lot of people are going to start their journey here. So what if I end up on this blog post? What's the first one? There's probably Amazon links here. Look at this, $20 in Amazon, okay? And this may not look like a super high traffic listing, but it was in the first blog, in the first search result for a super high volume keyword in Google. So imagine the amount of traffic this is going to get, right? And maybe it's a puzzle. If you have a puzzle, this is a good puzzle to bid on, right? If we have this, go through this list, see what these top blog posts are raking in, bid on those ASIN. Everyone goes after keywords. But at this time of year, people are being driven to Amazon from so many different sources, right? So a lot of times people won't end up on Amazon's homepage. They'll end up on a specific page like this. And this is where they start their Amazon journey. So if you can be the top sponsored display spot, like this listing right here, I love this ad, right? It is National Geographic, it's defensive, but as a customer, if this is my first spot, this is one of the first things that I'm seeing. So I'm going to click on this. I'm like, wow, this one's way cooler, right? I'm going to buy this one. But I got there from a Google blog post that I typed in for a high volume keyword. So one more step back, one more thing I'm just thinking out loud here. Instead of looking at Amazon search volume right now, look at Google search volume. Type that in for your keywords. See if there's blog posts. If those blog posts drive to Amazon, find those Amazon ASIN and bid on them, okay? Get that stuff moving, get in people's heads, and really lock in these sponsored display spots and these sponsored product ASIN targeting. And personally, over the past couple of years, we've been seeing a much better return on ASIN targeting during the holidays than we are, gift keywords, because everyone is going after those. So hope this helps get your kind of wheels turning a little bit and get you, helps you get some holiday campaigns kicked off here.